If you want to start a fish farm and you don't know exactly where to start, this season, I mean the rainy season, is the best time to start your fish farming journey, especially as a beginner. In this video, I'm going to take you through 9 reasons why it is good to start your fish farm at this season. And at the end of the 9 reasons, I shall also give you some few challenges of starting your fish farm in this season. But all the same, it is so very important, especially if you're a beginner. One of the reasons which is very crucial and most important is abundant water supply. As we all know, water is life when it comes to fish. However, a lot of people have challenges in accessing quality water for fish. I always mention it in my videos. It is not every water that is ideal for fish. So to get water that is ideal for fish and also in abundance is very scarce, especially in some geographical locations. But rainy season, especially in Africa, Ghana specifically, you have abundant and free water. So starting your farm at this time will not only reduce the cost of installing water or getting water, but it will also give you good quality water because the rainwater is free or lesser chemicals as compared to other sources. So you can either harvest the rainwater by the harvesting means or you collect the water to the pond directly and you are good to go. So the issue of abundant and water availability is very important. And if you're a beginner and you start at this time, you will have less challenges. I'm saying it will reduce you a lot of costs because I know other farmers who are dependent on water from tanker drivers during dry season, which is very costly. Some of them charge as far as 800 Ghana cities. Now, assuming you are going to buy this and you have to change your water at most every week throughout your harvesting season, how much money are you going to spend on water and how much profit will you get? Everything will go into water. But during rainy season, you are good to go. Another important thing is that it improves water quality. I don't know if you have ever observed in the pond the behavior of the fish when it is raining. When it is raining and the water is exposed to the rain and the water is falling in, you could see the fish jumping here and there, expressing their gratefulness towards the rain. So as that falling, the gravity of the water falling there is improving the water quality. Apart from that, it is also increasing the water level because as evaporation is taken on, or if you are using flotation and you are cleaning and it's taken on, all this the water level is reducing. If you don't have rainwater collecting into the pond every time, maybe in a week or two, you have to top up the water. But during rainy season, this is done for you. And as the water is topping up, it is also taking out the toxic chemicals like high ammonia, leftover feed, and water. The third reason it is good to have your fish started in rainy season is that it gives you a favorable temperature and weather condition. Look, during very cold season like harmattan in Africa or West Africa and winter in other parts of the countries, this is extremely cold weather condition. This period affects the metabolism of the fish and therefore their food conversion ratio, making food intake less. During extreme heat period, dry season, where there's excessive sunlight, it also stress the fish, evaporate the water, and also affects feed conversion ratio. Therefore, fish will not grow faster. And that time, you need to provide a lot of equipment like high irrigation to keep your fish farm. But this period, the weather is not too cold and it is not too hot. It's not too cold and it is not too hot. So the balanced weather condition is ideal for fish. Therefore, your fish will always grow faster within this period. If you're a beginner or you haven't experienced this, ask any experienced farmer and he will tell you. Anyway, I know there are other places that don't experience frequent rain. Yes, and the other places they experience rain all the time. But this particular video is helpful to people who experience rain, especially seasonal. So it is very important that rainy season you get good weather condition for your fish. There's no doubt about that. The fourth reason why rainy season is important to start your fish farming is that it is ideal for beginners to learn. It is ideal for beginners to learn because since you get abundant water, since you get favorite weather condition, there are other things that during hot season or during cold season that affect farmers which you will not experience. So maintaining your farm as a beginner at this period is very, very important and it is less effective for you. So you can always learn at this period and grow because you're not exposed to risk of overheat or over coldness. So learning this period is very important. The fifth reason is that the rainwater dilutes the waste in the pond. As the rain is falling and the water is topping up in the ponds, it is diluting the high ammonia, the undigested feed, the leftover feed, the feces, and these stuffs. So since it is diluting them, it is once again purifying the water for you. So that period, you don't have to always change the water, and the rain will always top it up for you. The sixth reason is important is that the rainy season also adds oxygen into the pond. As the water is falling from the rain to the pond, that process adds oxygen. More to the point, the weather condition is ideal and natural water is so important and is so ideal level for the fish. At this period, you don't have to always add high oxygen. But when the water is hot during dry season, you need to constantly add oxygen to the pond. So now that the oxygen you are not adding all the time, you will reduce the cost of the aerator working and the cost of electricity. So it's very ideal for this time. Now the seventh reason it is very important is that fingerlings are available during this period. When we talk about fingerlings, the seeds or a small feed that you will buy and stock as a beginner. So this period, the hatching services, they are also able to hatch more fingerlings because it is easy to manage them too at this time. The weather condition is favorable for the fingerlings. So they produce more fingerlings. And for that matter, fingerlings are available. You can get quality fingerlings at affordable price because some of them also give promotional or discounts to farmers. So if you are stocking at this period, we are going to get lesser costs but favorable or strong fingerlings. So it's very important, and that is also a reason. The evidence is that this time you also get natural feed in the pond to supplement the commercial feed. For instance, during rainy season, if you have bulbs around your farm, like if you have bulb here, in the night you see more insects coming in there. And when they come, they fall into the pond, and that pond insects, the fish will feed on them, serve as supplementary feed. This also makes aquatic plants to grow, especially those using earthen pond, around the ponds for the fish to eat. So these are supplementary feeds given to the fish by nature, and you get this available during rainy season. Dry season you get insects, but they are not that more as compared to rainy season. The ninth reason why, what is so important too, is that this is economic timing for market. I say it is economic time for market because this period we are in June. If you stock your fish during this period, July, August, September, October, November, December. By this time around, if you keep your fish very well, they will be matured for market. And during December, Because of the Christmas and New Year, somewhere January, the demand for fish is higher and the price of fish is high. Because of that, you can get more markets and make more profit for your farm. At that time too, because it is festivity, that festival time you get more markets. And that time we have lesser fish in the market. So this timing is very good and ideal for your fish. Now, if you observe all this, we have enumerated 9 reasons why it is so important to start your fish farming during this season. If you follow that, you'll be successful. But that is not to say that there are no challenges too during the rainy season. And I want to take you through 4 challenges that also affect farmers, fish farmers during rainy season. The first thing is flooding. When there's heavy rainfall, it can your farm can get flooded. Those in earthen pond, it can overflow and carry the water, the fish away. Not only earthen pond, tapoli ponds sometimes the brace or the stands sink and the tapoli collapse and the fish pour away and move away. These are the challenges. If you also don't have overflow pipes in your farm, like here, they can cause overflow and the fish will flow alongside and go. So these are the challenges of that. Another thing is that you can also get waterborne diseases. So these waterborne diseases, as the water is running into the farm, it can carry contaminants. It can carry chemicals into the pond, like earthen ponds. When outside water runs into the farm, probably this is rainy season, so farmers have spray weedicides or insecticides in their farms. So when the water carries those pollutants into your pond, they contaminate the water and kill your fish. So these are the challenges. The third one is also that the cold weather also shock the fish. During heavy downpour, there are times that it rains frequently and comes with cold water. So if it persists for longer period, that coldness also affect the fish. But all these things you can correct them. The last one, which is also very important, is difficulties in movement and logistics. If your farm is in a waterlogged area and it is rainy season, sometimes when it rains and the entire place there's water all over. As a farmer, to manage the water, to manage the farm in the water is difficult. At that time too, moving in feet and moving out other logistics is not important. It's not ideal. It's very difficult. For instance, the farm that I am currently shooting this video, we started during last year rainy season. Though we are yet to transform into a commercial farm, but just a backyard pond or backyard farm. Now when we started and I was building this farm, where it is situated, when it is raining all the time, the entire place becomes waterlogged. So I used to park my motorbike far away and I will walk in the water, swim in the water, and come and work in the farm. Now, assuming it is harvesting period and we are going to harvest tons of fish, especially commercial. Now, that tons of fish, in order to carry them to the market, we need a truck to come and carry them. But the whole place is water all over. The truck cannot come in. How can we get the water out into the market? These are the challenges of rainy season. But the thing is that you can control all this. You can provide good drainage system. You can even provide road networks into the farm, and you are good to go. So consider this. Like I said, we don't only have the importance or the benefits. We also have these few. But all in all, it is recommended that you start at this period because you get abundant water, you get favorable weather condition, you get good timing, You are good to learn and grow. And these 9 reasons are more important than the risk one because you can manage the risk. If you have been inspired by this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know your experience of fish farming during rainy season in the comment section. If you have any question, ask. I can either answer you directly or I'll make another video on that and we'll learn together. Like I said, this channel will share fish farming tips based on our experience and research. My name once again is Abdulaziz Issa. If you have been inspired, and you also want to check out our resources in the description, we have our DIY, that's do it yourself aquatic system, where you can enroll in that course. You can learn yourself how to make filtration irrigation system as we have been doing. We also have ebook where you can enroll. Another good news is that I am making a comprehensive course about fish farming from starting to finishing and marketing. Very soon, I will finish it up and I will leave the link in the description. For the time that you are watching this video, it's available. Check in the description, enroll in that course, enroll, and we learn together and we grow our fish farm together. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to watch other video in the end screen. Bye.